Have you ever been in a situation where a friend keeps talking about the same problem over and over? It can be tiring, right? Understanding common phrases like give it a rest helps you handle these moments and communicate more naturally. Imagine Tom is helping his friend move. He's carrying a heavy box and feeling very tired. His friend says, "Give it a rest." Tom thinks his friend wants him to put the box down and take a nap. But give it a rest doesn't mean taking a nap. It's a figurative way to say, stop doing or talking about something. We usually say it when someone is being repetitive, annoying, or complaining too much. It's a bit informal and firm. Now, let's look at the correct way. Sarah has been complaining about the office coffee for an hour. Her coworker finally says, "Oh, give it a rest, Sarah. We heard you." Sarah understands she should stop complaining. Here's an example. "You have been practicing that song all day. Give it a rest." This means stop practicing now. Another one, "Just give it a rest. I do not want to hear about it anymore." This shows frustration with a topic. To remember this, think of a rest as a stop. When you tell someone to give it a rest, you are telling them to stop it. This phrase became popular in the late 1800s. It reflects the value of peace and quiet in communication. It is used widely across English-speaking regions, including the US and the UK, with almost no variations in meaning. You will often hear characters in movies say this when they are losing their patience during an argument. Similar phrases include cut it out, drop it, or knock it off. They all mean stop what you are doing. The opposites are keep it up, carry on, or go on, which encourage someone to continue. Related idioms are give someone a break or let it go, which also deal with stopping or relaxing. A common mistake is getting the word order wrong. Always say give it a rest, not give a rest it. Be careful. This phrase is informal. It might be considered rude if you say it to your boss or a teacher. It is quiz time. What does give it a rest mean? Is it A, take a nap, B, stop talking about something, or C, help someone move? Think about it for a moment. The correct answer is B. It means to stop talking about or doing something that is annoying. Great job! To recap, give it a rest is a great way to tell someone to stop being repetitive. It makes your English sound very natural. Have you ever had to tell someone to give it a rest? Share your stories in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's content, please like and subscribe or support us with super thanks. See you in the next video.